We'll guide you through how to install Dropbox on your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website by typing www.dropbox.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once you're on the home page, look for the download button, usually found in the upper right corner or in the center of the page. Click on it to start downloading the Dropbox installer. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your browser's Downloads section or in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to open it. You might be prompted to allow the application to make changes to your device, so click Yes to continue. The Dropbox installer will then launch, and you'll see an installation window. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. This usually involves clicking Install and waiting a few moments while Dropbox is being installed on your system. Once the installation is complete, Dropbox will automatically launch, and you'll be prompted to sign in or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Enter your email and password if you're an existing user, or click Sign Up to create a new account. After signing in, Dropbox will set up a folder on your computer where you can easily drag and drop files to sync them with your Dropbox account. You can also adjust your preferences by clicking the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar and selecting Preferences to customize your settings and notifications. That's it. You're all set to use Dropbox on your computer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.